Vast. Modern pirates could soon be sailing the high seas. With reliable battery-powered boats? Yeah, maybe. That's because Microvast, a company specializing in advanced battery technologies, has diversified into the electric boat market through a partnership with Evoy, allowing Microvast to tap into the growing trend of transportation electrification, particularly in the burgeoning electric boat market, which is anticipated to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 10.5% from 2025 to 2030. The increasing emphasis on reducing carbon emissions and promoting sustainable marine transport is driving this growth. The collaboration marks Microvast's debut in the electric boat segment and expands Evoy's battery options. The company's MVI high-power battery, with an energy density of up to 180 watt-hours per kilogram, will be integrated into Evoy's leisure boat product line, enabling Microvast to enter the European marine segment, specifically the leisure boat segment, and exposes the company to the commercial vessel segment. The need for fast-charging solutions in this segment can be extremely advantageous for cargo transport operations. This expansion aligns well with Microvast's recent robust performance, with revenues increasing 23.9% year-over-year in 2024, primarily driven by a 41.6% rise in sales volume. Add to that the recent showcasing of its fast-charging batteries that can reach 80% charge in 15 to 20 minutes under standard power conditions. Then you can begin to get an idea of why investors are fired up. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.